Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Let me show you how to stretch the image background without affecting the subject. Although it is difficult or nearly impossible in some images to make them panoramic, stretching them a bit will make a big difference. First, open your image and duplicate your main background. Next, adjust your canvas by going to Image, then Canvas Size. Right now I have 1333 pixels wide. Let me stretch it to 2000 pixels. Using the lasso tool, trace your subject but with a little space around it. Then go to your Channel tab. If it is not available, go to Windows, and choose Channel. Next, click the mask icon at the bottom right of your panel. Deselect the marquee, then go to Edit, and choose Content Aware Scale. In your options bar, look for the Protect dropdown and choose Alpha 1. That is the layer you generate after you click the mask icon in the Channel tab. It means your main image will be protected when you scale the image. By holding your Shift key, stretch both sides of your image. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.